What some may view as a frivolous activity is Jamaica being displayed to millions of viewers around the world in real time. It's why so many officials were in attendance, including the Minister of Culture and Entertainment. h264's Caribbean tour makes an exciting stop in Jamaica. Romarda Lyons tells us more.
When traditional media focus on matters not considered to be hard news, they are hit with the monotonous, slow news day. Well, today, it's rather speedy. Millions of tourists visit Jamaica weekly, but there's something quite spectacular about one with over 100 million followers across YouTube and Instagram, live streaming his tour across the corporate area. Now, anyone on social media following his tour across other Caribbean islands would know that the race for the best KFC in the region was hot.
What you put in this?
All the best, all the love and spice and everything in it.
Love and spice.
All the love.
This got flavor.
Well, just like on the track, Jamaica finished in the #1 spot.
Huh?
The only one?
Damn! Hey! Whoa! Whoa! My dad rated this the best KFC. Oh my God. That's good.
Complete fanfare from children to adults. His stream began with a tour of Emancipation Park with beauty queen and TV host Yendi Phillips, a rich display of Jamaican arts
I got it, chat.
and culture. There were cameos from reggae and dancehall acts like Jesse Royal and Valiant. Then biking through New Kingston with a massive security detail. Another element to the Jamaican experience, fashion. A new shoe, but the currency isn't the Jamaican dollar, it's promotion.
Yeah, how much you want for these? How much?
It's good.
Hey, Ames.
On us, bro.
Pay for these sneakers real quick.
On us, bro.
Huh? Say it's on you. Just give them the shout out.
Shout out, bro.
Shout them on.
Yeah.
Oh, nothing?
Signature style, bro.
Hey, man, shout out to Signature Styles for.
Another culturally significant stop at Haile Selassie High School, where he was welcomed by dancehall giant Sean Paul. Back on the road, hair cream couldn't stop her need for speed. Some would say it's a dog-eat-dog world, but it's moments like these that bring laughter. Then hand in hand with the skillful trade of craft, his first brush with a strict Jamaican mother.
Bro, the blade's right there.
And this is almost a rite of passage for any visitor who steps foot in Jamaica.
I'm trying to get my Jamaican accent cool.
Bottom row.
Bottom roll.
Top row.
Top roll. Now, chat, now we're going to the bottom of the roll.
Yeah.
Ah, I see. Come on, chat. It's Emmy.
All roads led to downtown Kingston. In his eyes,
Now this feels like a whole different side of Jamaica. What the hell? Looks like New Orleans.
and if he didn't feel welcomed before, a reminder. Pandemonium, superstar traffic blocking proportions.
Jamaica!
Those familiar with Speed know he's a major fan of football legend Cristiano Ronaldo. Well, football fans collide.
You are? Yeah! Oh, really? Oh my God! You're a Ronaldo fan! Oh, he's a Ronaldo fan! He's a Ronaldo fan! You're a Ronaldo fan! That's great, man!
And Dante, you couldn't be there, but we hope you see this.
Dante!
Yeah, my son is a subscriber to you, love you.
Hey, shout out Dante!
Them never get to come to me.
Shout out Dante!
Next up, Tasty in Crossroads, and Jamaican cuisine wins again. We've all heard this one before. Speed at the National Stadium. He was greeted by Culture and Entertainment Minister Olivia Babsy-Grange and later participated in a 4x100 meter relay with high school track students. Outside the stadium, dancehall legend Beanie Man.
I'm drinking rum and Red Bull. I'm drinking Red Bull.
Next up, Bob Marley Museum.
Wait, you Bob Marley's granddaughter?
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah. So give me a personal tour.
okay.
His journey continued, but we leave it here for today. Romarda Lyons, TVJ News.